AI just broke the internet this week. If you missed a day, you missed a decade. Welcome back to Be10x. This week was absolutely insane. With OpenAI's game-changing plans to take over social media, leaks about Google's secret hidden AI model, and RCB's AI tactics to win IPL this year. All this happened in just 1 week, and we're covering everything right here. So let's dive into the AI world that's transforming as we speak. This teen hacked NASA with AI. 18-year-old kid just discovered 1.5 million space objects that NASA completely missed. Instead of manually sorting data during his Caltech internship, he built an AI algorithm called Varwise that changed everything. His AI processed a mind-blowing 200 billion rows of data from NASA's NEOVISE telescope, uncovering celestial objects hidden behind interstellar dust. We're talking black holes, supernovas, and quasars that conventional telescopes couldn't see. The craziest part? He did it all with just a laptop and code. No telescope needed. His discovery was so significant, he won $250,000 in science competitions and got published in the Astronomical Journal while still in high school. NASA scientists are already using his discoveries to study binary star systems. This proves how AI is democratizing innovation even in fields as complex as space tech. A teenager with access to AI can now make discoveries that billion-dollar agencies missed. RCB is using AI to scout players. Indian cricket is entering the future with RCB now using AI to find their next superstar. Their head of scouting, Rangarajan, has developed an incredible algorithm that analyzes bowling actions from videos to identify hidden talent across India. This AI doesn't just watch the game. It breaks down specific bowling mechanics that reveal a player's ability to bowl yorkers, generate swing, and even predict their maximum speed potential. While Rangarajan admits nothing beats the human eye for talent spotting, the reality is that with thousands of players and fierce competition between IPL franchises, teams need to move lightning fast. What's even more fascinating is that this technology helps eliminate bias and favoritism that has plagued traditional scouting for decades. We're witnessing AI transform cricket from every angle, from umpiring decisions to performance analytics and even enhancing fan experiences during matches. Is this the future of sports recruitment? Or should teams stick to traditional methods? OpenAI is building a Twitter killer. Sam Altman just secretly developed a social network that could change everything. Here's the complete breakdown. OpenAI has a working prototype focusing on a social feed with ChatGPT's mind-blowing image generation built right in. The craziest part, this move comes right after the intense back and forth between Musk and Altman about OpenAI's future. And there's a genius strategy behind all of this. While X and Meta already use real-time data to train their AI models, OpenAI has been missing this valuable resource. Creating their own platform would give them access to the same user data that powers their competitors. The timing is perfect too. Seeing how Elon integrated Grok into X and users are creating viral content with AI assistants. OpenAI's platform would likely be powered by GPT 4.1, focusing on quality discussions rather than just viral posts. We're witnessing the ultimate Silicon Valley rivalry unfold in real time. Could this finally be the Twitter alternative we've been waiting for? Google is hiding their most powerful AI. A viral Reddit post just sparked a huge debate in the tech world, revealing Google has a secret model called Dragontail. This hidden AI is outperforming every model out there, even beating their own Gemini 2.5 on the Web Dev Arena benchmark. The strangest part is that Dragontail is already running on some platforms, yet Google keeps it locked away from the public. This mysterious decision comes right after Gemini's underwhelming launch, suggesting Google is silently preparing for a major comeback. Looking through the Reddit comments, you'll see widespread belief that Google is about to strike back hard in the AI race. Their strategy goes beyond just building better models. Google is now paying top AI talent massive packages to literally do nothing for an entire year. This tactic prevents these experts from helping competitors, while Google prepares its next big move. Could Dragontail be the key to Google reclaiming the AI throne? OpenAI just dropped its smartest AI ever. Meet O3 and O4 Mini, the new AI models that can think before answering. These aren't just upgrades, they're a complete reimagining of what AI can do. The game-changing part is that for the first time ever, these models can use every tool in ChatGPT. They can search the web, analyze your files, code with Python, and even generate images. O3 is their most powerful model yet, setting new records in coding, math science, and visual understanding. It makes 20% fewer major errors than previous models on real-world tasks, and early testers are amazed by its ability to generate and evaluate novel ideas in biology, math, and engineering. Meanwhile, O4 Mini is the efficient powerhouse, delivering remarkable performance at lower cost. It's so smart, it scored a mind-blowing 99.5% on the AIME 2025 math competition. What makes these models revolutionary is how they decide when and how to use tools. This is the first step toward a truly agentic ChatGPT that works independently on your behalf. Nvidia just shocked the AI world with a $500 billion American gamble. They're building entire AI supercomputers on US soil for the first time ever. Here's the mind-blowing plan: 1 million square feet of manufacturing space with Blackwell chips made in Arizona and massive supercomputers assembled in Texas. But the real game changer is that they're partnering with tech giants like Foxconn, Wistron, Amcor, and TSMC to create an entire AI supply chain in America. Jensen Huang calls these gigawatt AI factories the infrastructure powering our AI future. The impact is huge: hundreds of thousands of new jobs and trillions added to the economy over over the coming decades. And they're not just building factories, they're using their own AI tech with Omniverse digital twins and Isaac robots to automate everything. Production will start in just 12 to 15 months. And that's a wrap on this week's AI Madness. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments which update blew your mind the most. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Instagram so you never miss the next big AI drop. See you next week with more game-changing AI updates.